Hello friends. In last lectures we discussed that what is the function organization. In today's lecture we are going to discuss projectized organization. A projectized organization is a project focused organizational structure where project manager has the final authority over the project to make the project decision, priorities, acquire and assign resources. A projectized organization refers specifically to an organizational structure that has been set up in a manner which the project manager lead the group and in which the project manager has the ultimate authority to make any and all decision involving on the organization. Exactly. So here the project manager is totally responsible for to complete their project with the help of different project managers. In a projectized structure, all the work is looked as a project. The project manager has complete control, unlike in the functional organization, and all the team members report directly to the project manager only. In a projectized organization, which is totally different upon the totally different related to the functional organization. In functional organization, every team members has to be report to the manager, and that manager is reported to the project manager, and the project manager reported to the CEO or executives of or directives. But in a projectized organization, that particular project leader or project manager is responsible for total project. So all authority is given to project manager or project leader to complete their project on time and within the budget of the customer. The projectized organization, sometimes these team members are permanent and sometimes they are hired as a temporary workers to help with the project until its completion. If the organization takes on a large project, it will have all the necessary resources available to sustain the project, and it will act as a small self-contained company. The project manager works with complete autonomy or central authority power over the project. The team is on the project full time and report to the project manager only. As a project manager, you have the responsibility to take authority rather than waiting for someone to give you the authority. The advantage and disadvantage of project organizations are advantages to the project structure include the project manager opportunity to career progression. In addition, because good communication exists within the project work, the team members tend to be more committed to and excel in their responsibilities. Exactly. The team members are more committed and excel in their responsibility. The disadvantage of a projectized success is that because the team breaks up and disperses after the completion of the project, there are no long-term goal or sense of job security for the rest of the workers. Another disadvantage is that the organization has to essentially clone the same resources for each project, that is project manager, work area and administrator. So job security is not available in project organization few times. So that is for project organization.